Dear friends, today I am going to explain question number 9 from part C1, paper 2, patent agent examination 2018. Fine. So question number 9 is actually the question is like, after reading this specification, provide an appropriate title, draft an abstract and draft at least 2 claims. Okay. So I will go to the question first. The question is, this invention relates to a hair conditioning product and process for producing a hair conditioner capable of increasing the gloss, softness, elasticity and the tendency to maintain the desirable shape of the hair. Hair conditioners improve sensibly the aspect and the physical form of the hair treated with them. There exists a great variety of formulas for conditioning the hair. The available formulas leave much to the desired in the way of cost, ease of use, and ingredients which may have an objectionable odor. Further, none of them attains the efficiency of the formulas and processes described in this invention. It is an object of the present invention to provide a hair conditioning product having a new price and a pleasant odor. Yet another object of this invention is to provide a hair conditioning product that is easy to use. Still another object of the present invention is to provide a hair conditioning product that enhances the natural shine and softness of the hair and which maintains the shape of the hair over extended periods of time. It is another object of the present invention to provide a product that can remain in contact with the hair for long periods of time without damage to the hair. This invention relates to a hair conditioner and a process for producing an entirely new conditioner employing ascorbic acid and cupric acid and cuprous salts. Ascorbic acid is vitamin C, that is C6H8O6, found in many fruits, especially in the citric and in some vegetables with green leaves. The hair conditioner made accordingly to this process is presented to the user packaged as powder, which besides the active ingredients which bring about the desired effects contains also a thickening agent. This powder is mixed with water by the user before application. Another form of the conditioner from this invention is as a convenient gel, paste or cream which is applied directly by the user who intends to shape his or her hair. The formulations of the present invention may also include, without altering the basic concepts of the present patent application, tensioactives, humectants and their functional equivalents or similar besides the other compounds used in the treatment of hair shaping and conditioning like quaternary salts, certain dyes, relaxers, etc. In order to provide a perfect and complete idea of the invention, there will be presented some examples of formulations which can be realized to attain the objectives of this invention, that is to produce an efficient hair conditioner. The following is an example of formulation of the present invention. So, some examples are given here. I think, just a minute. Yeah. So there are 4 examples. You can read it from the question itself. Fine. So let us proceed for the solution of the question. Okay. So as for the first question bit, provide an appropriate title. So I have provided here the title is hair conditioner. The result of I have given here a comma. Just take a look, friends. Just take a look. Hair conditioner, the result of an improved process capable of improving the health and shape of hair. This title is according to my analysis. As here in the question we have read, just a minute, that the present invention relates to a hair conditioning product and process. For that reason I have mentioned this kind of title here. Okay, you can form another as per wish, but it should have some justified meaning. Fine. Okay. Next one is draft and abstract. Okay. So, and this would be within 150 words. Okay. So the abstract of the draft is as follows. Hair conditioner capable of increasing the gloss, softness, elasticity and the tendency to maintain the desirable shape of the hair. Okay. The advantages of hair conditioner are to improve sensibly the aspect and physical form of the hair that we know. Now, the third point is prior available conditioners are not that much efficient regarding all the aspects as the present invention is capable of. Here we have mentioned what are the demerits of the prior art. Fine. Next one. One of the objective of the present invention is to provide a hair conditioning product of low price and pleasant odor. Fine. So these are the improvements from the prior art, we can say. Second objective is to provide a hair conditioner that is easy to use. Okay. The third objective of this present invention is to provide a hair conditioner which enhances natural shine and softness of the hair, maintaining the shape of the hair for longer time. Okay. Next one. Another objective of the present invention is to provide a product which can remain in contact with the hair for long without changing the or without damaging the hair. Fine. This invention has an advantage, that is this invention has an advantage process and composition wise. Fine. It employs ascorbic acid and cuprous or cupric salts. This invention is packaged as powder containing a thickened agent along with the active ingredients. Fine. This is one form. Also, this invention is also packaged in gel-like form which can be applied directly. Fine. Some other ingredients can be used without altering the basic concepts of the present patent applications. Fine. So, this way all the requirements of the abstract is completed. So, an abstract is drafted. The last one is claims. So, I have written here is we claim. Okay. So, claim number 1. An efficient hair conditioner having the compositions like ascorbic acid, cupric or cuprous salts or cuprous acids, etc., where the ascorbic acid where the aforesaid acid, that is vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, is found in citric fruits and vegetables with green leaves, and the conditioner is found in gel, paste, powder, etc. forms. So friends, this is an independent claim. So just observe here that I have mentioned here the composition, the sources and the forms. All the three things are available in claim 1. And the claim 1 is an independent claim. It can stand alone. Fine. Next one, claim number 2. Now we will start with the dependent claims. Okay. So the claim number 2 says the conditioner described in claim 1 is made up of cuprous chloride, ascorbic acid, ammonium chloride, starch, etc. for acquiring permanent gloss, softness, etc. Similarly, claim number 3. Because in the question, friends, it is written or it is mentioned that at least 2 claims. So we can write 2 claims or we can write more than 2 claims, because at least, that means minimum number is 2. Fine. So claim number 3 says the conditioner of claim 1 has the composition like ammonium chloride in water, and to thin carboxymethyl cellulose are added. Sorry, I am reading it again. Claim number 3 says the conditioner of claim 1 has the compositions like ammonium chloride in water, and to this carboxymethyl cellulose are added to get a desired paste. Claim number 4 says the conditioner of claim 1 is composed of pyrogalol, cupric oxide, NaCl, ascorbic acid, ammonium chloride in water, starch, etc. to get a homogeneous cream. Fine. Claim number 5 says the conditioner of claim 1 is made up of pentahydrated cupric sulfate, ascorbic acid, ammonium chloride, sodium lauryl ether sulfate dissolved in water to make a solution to be used as a shampoo. So these dependent claims are just producing different forms of the product. Okay, so friends, this way all the three questions are solved. So all the three questions means all the three bits of question number 9 are solved. So this way part C1 of paper 2 is also solved. So please go through my video, please share the video among your friends, and please write down your compliments, comments in my comment box. If I need any improvement, or if you have any queries, any objections regarding the video, or if you have any alternative solutions as well, so please write to me in the comment box. Okay friends, thank you so much for listening to me, and thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, and keep studying, keep learning. Okay, stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.